Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to schedule a post on Facebook on Android. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, you have to open in your browser. So right now I'm using Chrome browser, and then click on the search box and type here Facebook Business Suite and click enter. And here we can see the first link is business.facebook.com. Open this first website. After that, here you have to connect your Facebook page. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom it so you can see the result properly. So here is my Facebook page. So we are going to schedule a post on Facebook page. Okay, here is no way to schedule post on our Facebook profiles. You must need to have a Facebook page to schedule a post. Okay, after that click on create post, and in this text box write here your caption, and here you can, and from here you can add photo, add video, also create video. It's mean you can go live from here. Also you can add your location here. Suppose I'm going to write something here. Hello everyone. And now if I want to schedule this post, click on this down arrow icon, and from here click on schedule post. And now from here you have to select the date for your schedule post. So right now I'm selecting the tomorrow. Okay, and from here you have to select the time you want to schedule the post. After that click on save, and when everything is done, click on this schedule post, and here we can see your post has been successfully scheduled. This is how we can schedule a post on Facebook from Android. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.